I can't believe it, Esther. They can't be.
All shirts and stuff in the truck.
The part that I can't get over is he eats them.
Eating minutes?
Yeah.
Gotta have something to eat.
Sardine-like.
Yeah.
A little mustard on them.
I've eaten many of them.
Tastes like chicken.
It was alcohol induced, but I've done it.
But there's one thing about fishing, Dick, that I've learned. If you don't have some line of BS, you ain't doing it right.
That's a fact, Jack.
What's up, everybody? Here we got a little piece of log here, a little piece of poplar limb, and we're going to turn it into a Morel mushroom carving. We've done this before, but we really enjoy doing them, and they sell really well. So I'm going to make them, and I'm even thinking about, I don't think I'm going to do it today, but I'm kicking around making one. Cut the little morel, you know, have some little lumps in it and all that stuff, the stem, but leave one little spot flat and then carve a face in there. But I'm not going to do that on this video. I'm just going to make morels today, so we'll see how it goes. I'm at least going to make 3, and we'll go from there. We're going to start with this one, and you probably won't see all 3, probably just this one, but that's it. What can I tell you? I'm not a very good scientist, and if I tell you what I'm doing or my engineering degree was 0, I'll probably end up doing something else anyway. So sorry in advance, and I hope you watch and don't get too sick. Wait, I ain't got nothing else. I don't know. Cheerio, chat. Are you sure that isn't tea? I thought I'd pull this off and show it before I kept going. And that's the carving itself. And I mean, it really looks like a morel. I mean, it is as best as I'm gonna do with this here. That's not even a carving bar, it's just a regular old bar. It's about silver dollar, 12-inch bar. Anyway, pretty good size too. I mean, if you can see it against my hand. Oh, this feels so good. I'm gonna eat it right now. No, never mind. That changed my mind. But anyhow, the next part is what really makes it. And let's get on moving on to that. I know. If I wanted to start a fire, wouldn't I just got a regular old piece of firewood and throwed it in the fire? I mean, instead of carving on something and making it cool. I mean, how dumb can you be, right? Anyway, there you have it. Real nicely juicy looking morel carving. You can try to eat it. Now, if you were a beaver, this would probably be great. But for the rest of us, it's pretty hard on our teeth.
Do they look tasty?
Until next time.
Come back when you can stay later, you smuck.